Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's the Kia Sportage Tyre Pressures and how to check the tyre pressures on your Kia Sportage or Kia Sportage. You may get this warning up on the dashboard if you've got a low tyre pressure, and that means one or more of your tyres is underinflated. And it's really important to keep your Kia Sportage tyres inflated to the correct pressures. Make sure that when you check the tyre pressures and you pump the tyres up, that you do this when the tyres are cold, because when they're warm the tyre pressure will increase. So always do it when the tyres are cold. Right, let's get cracking. First of all, you need to figure out what size tyres you've got on your Kia Sportage, and this should be written on the side of the tyre. Now these ones are 225/60 R17s. Then if you open the driver's door, on the driver's pillar here, it shows you what the tyre pressures should actually be. And what I'll do is I'll just pause this footage, and we've got 225/60 R17s. If you've got 3 people in the car and a small amount of luggage, it recommends 2.4 bar on the front and the rear tyre, and that is 34.8 psi. If you've got 5 people in the car and lots of luggage, that means lots of extra weight, it recommends 2.4 bar on the front, which is 34.8 psi, and 2.75 bar on the rear, which is 40 psi. If you do happen to have a skinny spare tyre in the boot, most Kia Sportages won't, it recommends 4.2 bar, which is 60 psi. But it will be rare if you've got a spare tyre in the boot. Most modern cars just come with a tyre repair kit. Then you need to go around to all 4 tyres and check the tyre pressures to make sure that you haven't got a slow puncture or one of them is underinflated. Now I've got an old school foot pump here and an old school tyre pressure gauge reader. You may have a digital one. So I'm just going to push this in and check the tyre pressure. Now this is on the rear tyre. And this is showing 35 psi, which is absolutely spot on if I've only got 3 people in the car and a small amount of luggage. But if I've got more people in the car, a full car load, I need to pump this rear tyre up and the one on the other side. So just put some more air in. Then I'm just going to check the tyre pressure again. So this is showing about 37. So I just need to put some more air in that. So if you happen to overinflate it, you can release some air just by using the end of this tyre pressure gauge reader. If you just push it in, then that lets some air out. Remember to put the tyre valve cap back on. And then make sure that you do that on all the rest of the tyres around the car, and then hopefully next time you go for a drive, if you have got that TPMS warning light, that will automatically reset itself and go out on the dashboard. I'm feeling a little bit tired and deflated after that video, so I'm definitely going to have a lovely cup of tea to take the pressure off. And just a little footnote, when you're checking the tyre pressures, make sure that all your tyres have good tread on them. If not, then get them replaced, ideally in pairs. Drive safe and enjoy your Kia Sportage.